welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a continuation of the 1-minute tutorial series, meaning I'm going to teach you how to do something in 1 minute or less. So today's topic is going to be brows. As you can see, I've got one done and one not done, and we gotta get this one done. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I just figured let's go ahead and jump into it, and I will show you the products that I use to achieve this brow. So I only use a handful of products to achieve this type of brow. So the very first product that I use is this one right here. This is the Catrice Eyebrow Stylist. It's literally just a pencil. I really like this because it's very creamy, like a gel-like formula, and I can just quickly fill in like the base part of my brow and just kind of get the idea going before I jump in with this product here, which is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This is more of like a pomade. What is on my pinky? Interesting. So this is more of like an eyebrow pomade, and it lives in the back of this thing. I apply that pomade with the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. This is a very popular eyebrow brush. I really like it because of how thin this little brush right up here is. It just lets me get very precise and can really detail a brow very quickly, so I really like that. And then the very last product that I always use is this one right here. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is a mini version, but the full-size version looks exactly like this. Okay, and then the last product that I sometimes use, I don't always do this step. I did it to this brow over here just for like perfection purposes, and you know, I'm filming a video. But I don't always do this, honestly. I will take a concealer. It can be any concealer that you want to kind of clean up the underneath of the brow, and then I just happen to use this Luxie 211 concealer brush to help carve it out. Let's go ahead and jump in to the tutorial of how on earth I put this brow on my face. So the very first thing that I think I should mention as part of like this countdown is I start by outlining the underneath and like midway on the top of my brow, and then I connect the two at the tail. That's basically the most complicated part of this entire process for me. So once I've got that, it's literally just boom boom, fill it in, call it a day, no fancy tricks. Always start by spooling your brow hairs into place. And that's it. That is how I fill in my brows. I hope that you guys like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go, and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. Thank God that was partially blurry. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.